here, is that true?
Oh, what a
Congratulations! Ito, hindi ko naman pigil.
Bullying affects lives. It hurt more than knives.
All for one, one for all. Nobody here makes other feel small.
Real heroes stand for all, short and tall, big and small.
Go.
Don't turn your back. Tell them bullying is whack.
Take a stand and hold a stand.
You don't have to be a cop to tell the bullies to stop.
Don't bring others down, making them frown. Lift your spirit high instead of making them want to cry.